This is Garrett Bull, period 3. So our site, slate.com, is a current event website with multiple different categories such as news and politics, culture, technology, business, and human interests. The founder of the website, who is the Slate Company, as you can see from the bottom, it was published by the Slate Group, and if you go to the About Us tab, Slate was founded in 1966 and is just, they analyze different things. However, when it says there's strong editorial voice, it's not really editing that they do. It's more of just making sure all the articles are on track with their agenda and what they believe, which from many of the from the articles on the page, such as the government shutdown right now is like a hostage situation with a heavy ransom, which is clearly showing some left-wing politics. And then as you continue through the site, it's nice at the top where you can just see the 5 main topics that they talk about current events. But as you continue down, it's just clustered with ads and you can't really figure out what's going on. But you can see a lot of the more political articles, they're very democratic, and you can tell they all have left-wing politics. Their editing process is, yes, like I said, mainly corrections, and it's just making sure that the authors stay on track with their agenda. The site, when you're going through it, the bias is left-wing, so you need to make sure that, well, most of the websites, or the articles, instead of having just what's going on, it's saying one side is right, one side is wrong. And overall, this is not a reliable website because every article is very opinionated rather than just stating the facts and what's going on. So this would not be good for any research or anything because it's not just facts, and you can't really find any article without it being full of the author's opinions.